What's up, guys? Jeremy from Sport Bike Journey. So I just got the Insta360 One X, and this is my first little video clip on the bike. I rode it home from work yesterday and recorded this. So tomorrow will be Suzuki Sunday, my moto vlog, and I'll post another video. But for now, I wanted to play around a little bit with the editor, try to get a feel for this camera. So far, I really like it. It's been pretty easy to use. Has a lot of cool features that I haven't got into yet. There's a lot to go through. But for now, here's a little sample of what we're going to be able to do with the camera. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can see when we post new videos. Like I said before, I'll try to put a video out at least once or twice a week and do what I can to keep up with it. So like, subscribe, hit the bell, enjoy the video, and there'll be more to come. Tomorrow we'll do our Suzuki Sunday moto vlog, and I'll try to find somewhere cool to ride through so we can get some good footage. Thanks, guys. Ride safe, and always enjoy Hope you guys like the video. Please like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell so you can stay notified. And go ahead and write some stuff in the comments. Let me know what you'd like to see videoed, what you'd like to see me post on here. Soon we're going to do some sort of giveaway, so I'll keep you posted on that. Enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.